Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse and in today's tutorial, learn about conditionals in Julia. So the kind of conditionals we working is with the if-else conditional. So now let's see an example and the sentence we're working with it. So the sentence we're working with if if conditional goes with this particular format. So first of all, we're going to define the condition. Going to define the condition, right? You define the condition somewhere, then if the condition is met, give me this expression. Else give me this another expression, that is if the condition is not met. Now let's see an example of this stuff. So the example is going to be this. So if, let's first of all give our value, so a and then b, and then I'm going to set it as 20 and then 30, right? Perfect. So now a nice way. So we want to say if a is greater than 25, right? I want you to do something. To print line a is greater than 25, right? That is what we want to write. So that's the first condition. That is if the first condition is met. Else do something else. So else do something totally different. So else say that a is lesser than 25. So that is the condition that you are print. So after creating this, you must end it with this particular stuff, because in Julia all these things must go with an end function. So if I run this, it will give us a result. A is less than 25, print A is greater. So where is our result? So A is less than 25. As a matter of fact, 20 is of course less than 25. So that's how to work with it in Julia, right? Creating a conditional. So there's also another option. You can also add another more option by going with the else if, right? Then you give another condition. So A, the else is A is equal to 25. So this is another way you can also do. So this is another condition you are also adding to it. Then if A is equal to 25, I want you to print that A is equal to A is equal to 25. So that is another way you can also do it. So if I run this particular option, this particular condition that we have, again, it's going to give us a totally different stuff as the A is less than 25, as it's showing here. A is less than 25. So if I change this from here to 25, and I run it, and I run this particular function again, now the condition is met. So it's going to give us A is equal to 25, which is A is equal to 25. That is the main idea about conditional. So it goes with the if. Then if the condition is met, you just give me this. If that condition is not met, and you check for a different condition. And then if it met, give me this. Else, give me the final stuff. Right? So that is how to work with conditionals in Julia. So this is a long method. So there's also a simple method of working with this stuff by going with the ternary operator. Ternary operator. So the ternary operator also follows in a format like that. So another format of control flow, and it goes with A, then B, C, right? So the main idea that if the condition is met, give me this value, else give me this. So if A is true, right, give me B, else give me C. That is the main idea behind the condition. So this same thing that we had here, you can also write it like this particular format of A is equal to A is greater than 25, the one we had here, right? If A is greater than 25, you bring the question mark, then you say that greater than 25, just like we had here. Perfect. Then you bring the next one, which is less than 25. So if I bring it here, the same thing that we have done in the previous one is what we are also doing here. So let's make it lesser than 25. So if I run this particular condition, let's change this one from 25 to 20, right? So if I run this, see that I've changed the value, right? So now A is no more, this A is now 20. So if I run this particular function, lesser than 25, so that's A is lesser than 25. That is the basic idea about the ternary. So we can use and convert this particular stuff in a nice way to a ternary operator in some cases, right? So that's the basic idea about it. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any question or contribution, you can just post in the comment section so that everybody can benefit. And please don't forget to subscribe, and then also check the links below for more. Stay blessed.